All right, guys, we're continuing on with Canuary. So I'm going to do boiled peanuts. So we have about a 10-pound bag of green raw peanuts here. So what you want to do first is you want to go through it and see all these ones that are kind of like broken open and like the shells. You're going to want to pull all of that out first. And then we're going to, this is going to be a process, just warning y'all. So you're going to take and go through and get all of that kind of stuff out first, and then you're going to put them in a pot of fresh water and let them soak for an hour, and strain it, and do it a couple times till you'll see ick come off of them, because I mean they're raw and they've literally just been put in like bags like this a lot of the times. So go through and clean it up and put it in the water to soak. I'm going to do that, and we're going to kind of have to do this in steps, because it's kind of it's a process, but it's worth it. So I'm going to go through this bag and get everything separated out. Okay, guys. So you saw the green peanuts that we had. So you take them and you basically do a cleaning of them. So you're going to take them, put them in a bowl or a pot, and put water on them for an hour, rinse them, do it again, rinse and repeat, do them again. After the third time where you rinse them, you're going to put them in your pot and you're going to boil them for about 30-45 minutes. While you're doing that, you're going to make your brine, which is literally just salt and water. And for every gallon of water you use a cup of salt. I have 6 jars here. I have about I've used about a gallon and a half of the water salt solution. So you take your peanuts, you fill your jars, which we've done here. Um, you take your brine, you cover it, you do 1/2 inch headspace, and you debubble it, because when you debubble, you'll see that the water goes down. So you're going to make sure that it's, the water's at the 1/2 inch. And then once you've debubbled it, you're going to take your vinegar, which is right here, and, clean your jar rims. Now, if you're going to add seasoning to it, this is the time you would do it. You could put Cajun seasoning in here. This batch, I'm just doing the water salt solution. The next batch, we're going to put some jalapenos in it because the hubby likes that. So we're going to finish refilling these now that everybody's debubbled and it needs more liquid added to it, obviously. And then for the pints, you do a different pressure canning time than you do the quarts. So the pints, you do 45 minutes. The quarts, you do 50 minutes. And it's 10 to 11 pounds of pressure, depending on your altitude. So I'm going to finish getting these done, and let's get them in the pressure canner.